What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you my G36c in bad business. So yeah, here we go. So first, to customize, it is honeydew, the honeydew colour in skins. Then what we have on the attachments, I have the exact same as Zesty Cucumber. I have the optic sight, coyote sight. Oh no, I think it's cobra sight, something. And then what I have no laser, even though it's free. Yeah, I'll just purchase it. I'm not gonna equip it. I've got the muzzle brake, I'm pretty sure, yeah. The underbarrel vertical grip. And yeah, so let's test out this gun. Oh, it's a gun game, whoops. I just went blurry for a second for some reason. Damn it, why does it have to be gun game? This sucks. I'm just gonna try the laser point quickly. The flash point laser. You can't even see anything in this with that gun that I'm using. Oh, it's a randomizer. Not gun game. Get behind him, mate. Sweet, I have this. Damn it. Okay, geez, he actually looks really good. I like his outfit. So, guys, I'm gonna play one more game, and then I will end it for the video. So, yeah. Let's go. Arena Cough. Yeah, that's good enough. Oh, this actually might be good for sniping now. Oh, no, it won't. Mega's attacking on the hill, that's what team I'm on. Damn it, this guy sniped me. I'm just gonna snipe quickly. Even though I said I usually don't snipe, I'm just gonna snipe today. What? I just got sniped. Well, someone's sniping me. Come on, come around, mate. That's what I hate about it. About the sniper. What? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use... Let's try to use Scar Hammer. And if Scar Hammer doesn't work out, I'm going to use... I forgot its name. Remington. For some reason, Remington reminds me of a Lamington. Sometimes I just stay like this and people on the other team walk over me. It's so funny. look. Damn it! I was saying, yeah, oh, what? Damn it! Okay, I'm gonna use the Remington next. Throw a grenade in. Damn it, UMP 45? What? I have got... What? It says I've got 0 kills. This stupid guy's trying to snipe me, so I'm gonna snipe him back. That's fair, right? Got him. Let's crawl. This can snipe for a teensy bit longer. Sniping's actually fun if you're good at it. Just I'm not very good. How did this kid get over here? What? Just crawling. Yes, getting my team. Sorry guys if this video is a bit boring, it's just a boring match. Usually sometimes I'm doing good, other times I'm not. That's lagged out a bit, so. Yeah, so where did this kid get that kid from? I swear if someone goes like that and gets a kill with the sniper, I will applaud them. It's actually, where is this? Oh, this kid. Throw a grenade up here. Damn it. Okay, so how long? 83. I've only got a tiny bit more. Sorry guys, it's actually really boring this video. Just I haven't got much to show you. No! This kid had AK-40s. Okay, I'm using Remington today. I love Remington actually, it's such a good gun. M1911? Jeez! See, I just got an assist, just from hitting her twice. Damn it. There we go, got him. See, it's actually that easy. There you go. Victory. So, yeah. That will end it for the video. Bye guys.